are here at James Martin Middle School with our group of 8th grade students. We are incorporating chemistry into forensic science. Students are using the chemistry they learned the first quarter and incorporating that into the lab and the different stations so they get a better understanding of how chemistry is used in real world.
Ultimate purpose of the activities was really to get the students an opportunity, to give them an opportunity to use some of the chemistry knowledge and knowledge of water science that they've been studying in their units the last few weeks, to get a chance to apply them to a real-world challenge. And so we created this forensics, this crime scene scenario where they were going to use some of these chemical skills, some of their science skills, to collect some evidence and to build a case for who the perpetrator might be.
The students came in and they saw an actual crime scene. The crime scene was centered around a robbery. They are able to analyze the crime scene as a whole, and then they took pieces from the crime scene. The first center that they worked with were fingerprints, and the students analyzed fingerprints. The next center, the students analyzed flame tests with some of the elements they've already learned about and saw how they can determine the crime scene from the elements. Then they also looked at solubility with different powders. Then the last crime scene center were the students were looking at the microscope and the different fibers that they found at the original crime scene.
It was a nice change for the students. They got to do some lab activities. They need to practice those lab skills and observation skills as well to get ready for high school.
So I think the impact on the students, hopefully, is that it inspires them to think of themselves as scientists, right? In today's activity, they were scientists. They were scientists in a crime lab using their chemical skills and their science skills in general to make observations, compare different things, to look for trends, to make connections, to test hypotheses. Ultimately, in this case, to identify a perpetrator. But really, those same skills are the skills that all scientists use. And so it's really just getting those students seeing themselves as scientists, convincing them that they are, in fact, excellent candidates for careers in the STEM fields is really the ultimate goal of today's activities.